temperature gradient. Let dq is the amount of heat flowing through a rod in time dt beta. Suppose there is a rod and through that rod the amount of heat flowing in time dt is what? dq. Therefore, dq is equal to k a theta 1 minus theta 2 upon what? L into dt. So dq is equal to ka theta 1 minus theta 2 into dt upon L, or we can write dq upon dt is equal to ka theta 1 minus theta 2 upon L. dq upon dt is called rate of flow of heat. Theta 1 minus theta 2 upon L is called, dear students, temperature gradient. What is the meaning of temperature gradient? The rate of fall of temperature with length beta. Theta 1 minus theta 2 क्या हुआ बेटा? Change in temperature. Theta 1 minus theta 2 is change in temperature. Upon what? Length. So temperature upon length means change in temperature per unit length beta. So theta 1 minus theta 2 upon L is called temperature gradient, that is change in temperature of rod with length. Student, above equation can also be written as dq upon dt is equal to ka d theta upon what? dl. I have written it d theta and I have written L to be dl. So we can write this equation also, dq upon dt is equal to ka d theta upon dt. The heading is thermal resistance. But just we have studied that dq is equal to ka theta 1 minus theta 2 dt upon L, or dq upon dt is equal to ka theta 1 minus theta 2 upon what? L. dq upon dt is rate of flow of heat. I am going to represent it बच्चों by H. dq upon dt is rate of flow of heat and I am going to represent it by H. So therefore H is equal to ka theta 1 minus theta 2 upon students L, or theta 1 minus theta 2 upon H is equal to L upon what? Theta 1 minus theta 2 upon H is equal to L upon Ka. Theta 1 minus theta 2, temperature difference, upon H, rate of flow of heat. In 10th class you have studied V upon I is equal to R. What is V? V is potential difference. यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? Temperature difference. What is I? Rate of flow of charge. यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? Rate of flow of heat. So V is replaced by what? Theta 1 minus theta 2. I is replaced by what? H. So its meaning is that L upon K will be what? Thermal resistance. L upon Ka is called, students, what? Thermal resistance. That is R is equal to L upon Ka. Once again you can see beta, theta 1 minus theta 2 is what? Temperature difference. Here it is potential difference. What is I? I is rate of flow of charge. यहाँ पर क्या आ गया बेटा? Rate of flow of heat. So theta 1 minus theta 2 upon h, ये v से replace हो गया, ये I से replace हो गया. So L upon K will be equal to what? Resistance. And it is called, dear students, thermal resistance. So R is equal to K L upon क्या बच्चों? Ka. SI unit. The unit of length is meter. The unit of K, just I have told you, joule per meter Kelvin second. अभी आपको पढ़ाया बेटा K की यूनिट क्या पढ़ाई है? जूल पर मीटर केल्विन सेकंड. एरिया मीटर स्क्वायर. So it cancels out. So its unit will come out joule per second Kelvin kilojoule beta. Its unit will be what? Joule power minus 1 Kelvin second. And it out to any child beta. And from this you can calculate the dimension.